How's it going? Welcome back. It's Jonathan. Yes, I know I'm doing two videos in one day. Please forgive me for that. I guess I'm playing catch up. Anyway, one of the topics that I didn't discuss in the last video was mainly because it flew over my head and whatnot. Was the fact that Bitcoin has technically staged a bear market confirmation. Now, the bear market confirmation that we're using is pretty simple. You may recall in the past that we were waiting for 12 or more bars in the direction of the trend to confirm a bear market. And we highlighted that this was the 11th bar and we're waiting for the market to decline lower, okay? So what we did get is we did get that decline lower. So we had 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We had 11 bars in the direction of the trend. We're waiting for that 12th bar to confirm it, the 12th or more bar in the direction of the trend, and that happened right here. What I mean is, so let me just take a step back just in case you're new here. When we're using Gann's trend theory, we need to have 12 or more bars in the direction of the trend. So this here isn't solemnly declared a trend until we get that confirmation, which is the 12th bar, okay? Now, all of this information here would still be relevant until the market broke above this top. So we can still have the market push down indefinitely until it breaks this top up here, as if we had 12 or more bars. So that's what happened today. So all this information here is actually part of the downtrend, and that's unfortunate, but it's the fact. So Bitcoin has confirmed a downtrend according to Gann theory. There's good and bad news about that. It means that we can start to, oh my God, oh gosh. It means we can start to draw in some trend lines. Now, this is not a confirmed trend line, so I won't be actually using this as gospel right here. But it's going to be an idea that if the market does come up, push lower again over time, that this would then be a valid trend line that we could be watching, or we should be watching, which would be our first confirmed trend line in about 3 years. So for me, that's pretty exciting, because once we get those trend line breaks, it generally signals very, very bullish behavior, but that's where we're at. So we're in a confirmed bear market. Now let's take a look at some other times that this occurred. So this is 2019 July. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this here is the lowest bar here. So 12 or more bars in the direction of the trend. And we can see that once Bitcoin broke low, the actual low came all the way down here. So the Bitcoin price broke around 9,200 points, and its low was around 6,000, maybe 400, 6,500. So when it does break, it can bring the market down. Okay, so that was a confirmed downtrend. Obviously, uptrends, we reverse the rule. Oh my gosh, we went down even further. So uptrends reverse the rule, and as we know, we need 12 or more bars in the direction of the trend. So the 12th bar or more would probably happen here, and then that would have confirmed the uptrend. So let's go back even further to maybe 2017, 2018 period. Take a look what happened. Get rid of you. Sorry. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the lowest low. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 or more bars in the direction of the trend. Once the market broke below this low here, it would have confirmed that the market's in a downtrend. It would have confirmed that, and as we can see, Bitcoin broke from around 6,500, and it fell as low as around 3,700, 3,800, or averaged 4,000 there. Okay, so we are still getting declines of like 30%, even in some cases 50% after that break. And we go back even further, we can see again. I don't know what happened with this bar here. It might be a glitch. I'll have to check the other data. But let's just say hypothetically that this price action didn't occur here. Let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 12 or more bars in the direction of the trend. This is currently the lowest low, hypothetically. The market broke it here. Market staged a rally. Didn't confirm an uptrend, because remember, to confirm an uptrend, we need 12 or more bars in the direction of the trend. Kept going down several more months till it hit a low. We'll take a look over there soon. But we have about $350 in price, and it went down to 180. So let's take a look. What's that, like another 30, 40%? about another 40-50% decline from where it was. So Bitcoin has confirmed a downtrend, whether it stops moving around this 27,000 mark or it continues to fall. I go back to my comment before in the last video that it's definitely it's a lot less riskier to be buying down here than it was to be buying up there, because we're going to come into a low. Eventually we're going to come into a low, whether that low is 10% away, 20% away. Everyone who was buying around the $40,000 mark and is trying to hodl up here took on a lot more risk during this point, because we were so close to this bear market territory in what I would consider a crypto winter. And we've broken it, we've confirmed it, we're no longer in a bull market. Bull market's long gone, we're now in a confirmed bear market. Now, to be in a confirmed bear market, that means any long positions you are holding should well and truly have been sold already, because I'm not providing advice, but generally speaking, you wouldn't be holding a long position in a bear market. So you're already too late if you're still holding. So just, play it safe. Keep an eye out on everything. I think that there's some bargains that are going to come in the market very soon. Some really good bargains. I'm expecting potentially a bottom around, that 12th of May time period. So anytime around here, today or tomorrow, Aussie American time. So we'll see how that goes. Dollar cost average, do what you do, follow your plans, play it safe. That's all I have. Just wanted to let you know that we are now in a confirmed bear market. And that would technically mean that the bias is down. I'm not saying it's guaranteed down, but the bias is now down.